let's do eyebrows tinting together. First, we will mix our reflector-seal peroxide with 3% volume with our reflector-seal tint on a glass stipend dish. As you can see, I'm trying to show you on the glass stipend dish. I mixed the two together, the ink and the peroxide. The ratio of the two that you're mixing is 1:1. Now we will apply using the flat eyebrow tinting brush. Now the application is done according to your desired eyebrow shape.
Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Yeah. Beautiful YouTuber. 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 Alana the beauty queen. South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Kumele. 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 Asiniziwe. Kumele the beauty. Queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. Sing Dizzy well. Kunene, the beauty queen of South Africa has the looks and the charm. Beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful YouTuber. The beautiful you. The beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber. Beautiful YouTuber.
Walks on air, she's got that flair. Cindy's with charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban scene, she's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Ooh, 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 ooh. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. The party's begun.
Now, to perfect the shape of your tint application, you can use an earbud to clean the parameters.
Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams, Cindy's you array, she's the queen supreme. Cindy's you where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cindy's you where you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With eyes that tell 1,000 and tails. She's the wind in the sails. Fashion and style, she's got it all. Cindy Seaway stands tall and won't fall. From Cape Town shores to Victoria's hills, everyone knows she's got those skills. A wave and smile, she's a magazine, our nation's own timeless queen. Cindy Seaway, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. Cindy Seaway, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With every step you shine so bright. With every step you shine so bright. With every step you shine so bright. South Africa groove, you got the move.
We then did her wig installation while we wait for the tint to set, as we had to wait a good hour before it was ready. After a good hour, I went in with a sheath of a wet wipe as to wipe off the excess tint. I had also incorporated a piece of cotton wool to wipe off the inner corners. Observe as I go harder as I wipe off the tint on the inner corners as to create the ombre look. Remember, we create the ombre look in order to create a look that looks as natural as possible.
She walks on air, she's got that flair. Cindy's US charm beyond compare. From Joburg streets to Durban scene, she's the beauty queen we've ever seen. Her smile bright as the morning sun. Everywhere she goes, the party's begun. In the land of gold and diamond dreams, Cindy Seaway reigns, she's the queen supreme. Cindy Seaway, you're the light of the night. With every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every move. South Africa groove, you got the move. With eyes that tell 1,000 tales. She's the wind in the sails. Fashion and style, she's got it all. Cindy Seaway stands tall and won't fall. From Cape Town shores to Victoria's hills, everyone knows she's got those skills. A wave and smile, she's a magazine. Our nation's own time.
Then we go in with a spoolie brush to perfect the direction of her natural eyebrows.
Every step you shine so bright. Beauty and grace in every
Here for an up closer look.
South Africa groove, you got the move.
And now you just got served with a finished look. Thank you. You can see sister's happy. Thank you for watching thus far. See you on the next one.
From Cape Town shores to Victoria's Hills.